I'm really missing my walking pad. There's lots of places to walk here in Samoa, but I'm scared of the dogs and I don't like people looking at me. So I'm feeling very gross and really need to walk. Let's see if I can do some exercises in the room. I pretty much slept all of today. I woke up and I was very anxious most of the night. I had parked in the back of the hotel because I didn't feel safe parking at the front of the hotel, but it kind of double parked behind another car. So all night I was thinking, oh my gosh, what if they need to get out in the middle of the night to move their car and I'm blocking and they won't know and blah 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 blah. And then like 6 o'clock in the morning I heard something about who parked in the back, and I automatically assumed it was because of me. So I got up and I went and moved the car, and then so the person had gotten out of the parking space. There was enough space, but I was still anxious, and so I went and moved my car. And then after that I just couldn't do anything. I got up and I walked because I could feel my stomach was not right. So I did a walk in the room because I knew there was a sea walk run happening, and I could not bring myself to be around people. I couldn't do it. I guess I've just peopled myself out this week, and so I had no energy to do anything this morning. So I walked, drank some water, ate some essie and some breakfast, went next door to see if they had any Vaisalo because I'm kind of craving it, and thought a dopamine hit would help, but they didn't have any. So when I came home, I'm so grateful for my loop earphones. So they're not earphones, but they block out the sounds, and so right next door to my window is a what do they call it, car wash, and they have music on because it's a car wash, and it is open most of the day. And with the earphones in, I could not hear anything, and I was able to sleep. I think I've had the best sleep I've ever had since I've arrived here in Samoa, which was wonderful. I'm very, very grateful because I needed it. I really needed it. I usually at the end of a school term, I am exhausted. That the first weekend I will just sleep and do nothing. Eat my favorite foods, do my favorite things, watch my shows, and I never got to do that this school holidays, and I just went straight into being with family, doing the work that I needed to do for Messina, and seeing all the people that I know I love and wanted to spend time with. And I'm not saying that those are bad things. I'm just saying that I overdid my social calendar, and so today I was completely exhausted and needed to rest, and will continue to rest tonight. I'm deciding what kind of food I want to eat, because usually in these times I would Uber Eats food. I feel like that's not appropriate for me to be doing when I've got a restricted budget and access to a car. So I just got to pick what I want to eat, go get it, and then come back and enjoy a night in, because tomorrow I am doing family stuff. So yeah, that's my update.